Welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss topic 2.1, which is the basic concept of network. At the end of the lessons, the students should be able to explain the concept of network, explain the types of communication devices and transmission media, and to describe the advantages and the disadvantages of a network. Network is a collection of computers and devices connected together via communication devices and transmission media. Communication is a process in which two or more computers and devices transfer data, instruction, and information over transmission media via communication devices. A communication device is a hardware capable of transferring items from computers and devices to transmission media and vice versa. For example, modem, wireless access point, and router. Types of communication devices. Dial-up modems. A dial-up modem is a communication device that can convert digital signals to analog signals and vice versa, so that data can travel along an analog telephone line. This is the sound of a dial-up modem that you will hear when you want to establish a connection. Digital modems. A digital modem is a communications device that sends and receives data and information to and from a digital line. Three types of digital modems are ISDN, DSL, and cable modem. Wireless modems. A wireless modem is a modem that bypasses the telephone system and connects directly to a wireless network, through which it can directly access the internet connectivity provided by an internet service provider, ISP. Usually, the wireless modems have an external or built-in antenna, for example, USB flash drive, express card modules, PC cards, and memory cards. Network card. Network card, sometimes called a network interface card. The network card coordinates the transmission and receipt of data, instructions, and information to and from the computer device containing the network card. Hub and switch. A hub and switch are a device that provides a central point for cables in the network. A hub receives and transmits information to all devices. Therefore, it will increase traffic and will make your connection slower if you have too many connections. Nowadays, a hub is mostly replaced by a switch. A switch is also act as a hub, but it only sends a packet to a selected receiver. All devices that is connected to the switch has their own unique address called a MAC address. If you want to send a packet from A to B, it will not flood the packet to all devices. Transmission media. A transmission media is a media that is used to send communication signals between devices. Two types of transmission media are wired and wireless. Wired transmission media is the transmission of signal or data that are transferred by wire, cable, or other physical connection between sending device and a receiving device. For example, fiber optic, unshielded twisted pair cable, shielded twisted pair cable, and coaxial cable. Twisted pair cable consists of one or more twisted pair wires bundled together. The wires are twisted together to reduce noise or electrical disturbance. Coaxial cable consists of a single copper wire surrounded by at least 3 layers: insulator or dielectric, braided metal or shield, outer coating or wrapper. Fiber optic cable consists of dozens or hundreds of thin strands of glass or plastic that use light to transmit signal. Wireless transmission media is an unguided medium transport electromagnetic waves without using a physical conductor. This type of communication is often referred to as wireless communication. Signals are normally broadcast through free space and thus are available to anyone who has a device capable of receiving them. Wi-Fi uses radio signals to provide high-speed internet and network connections to computers and devices. Most computers and many mobile devices such as smartphones and portable media players can connect to a Wi-Fi network. Bluetooth uses short-range radio signals to enable computers and devices to communicate with each other. For example, Bluetooth headsets allow you to connect to a headset wirelessly. Cellular radio uses the cellular network to enable high-speed internet connections to devices with built-in compatible technology, such as smartphones. Advantages of network are communication, sharing software, sharing hardware, sharing data and information, sharing files, and transferring funds. Communication. People communicate efficiently and easily via email, instant messaging, chat rooms, blogs, wikis, online social networks, video telephone calls, online meetings, video conferencing, voice over IP, wireless messaging service, globally over the internet. Sharing hardware. Users can share hardware on a network such as printer, fax, modem, etc. Sharing software. Users have access to software on a network and can be accessed by multiple users at the same time. Sharing data and information. Allow any authorized computer user to access data and information stored on other computers on the network. Sharing files. Allows a number of people to use the same file and able to read or view it, write to or modify it, copy it, or print it. Transferring funds. Allows user connected to a network to transfer money from one bank account to another via transmission media. The disadvantages of network are secret information leaked, spread of computer viruses, and the computer networks can fail. Secret information leaked. If a computer is connected to a network, it is much easier to send any secret information stored on the computer to some other computer on the network. Spread of computer viruses. The virus can spread itself electronically on the network. Email can also be spammed. Networks can fail. All of the computers in an office building might become completely useless if a single network component fails. That is all for Subtopic 2.1. Now you must answer all questions that you can get from Google Classroom. Thank you very much.